Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I have the September 180 degree box. This box is the best self-care box out there. I do believe it is. And Arlene is the curator and she's a lovely person and she's on Instagram, and I do talk to her back and forth on there from time to time. And she sent me this box. So this is $55.99 a month and it is just chock full of fabulousness. And I just want you to see, it comes in an outer wrapping. So first of all, when I got home, this is what I saw. Good vibes. It's always a different, really cute bag. And the box itself is fabulous. Look at how gorgeous it is. It's a present to yourself or to a loved one. And it says wonderful things on it. Self-care, beauty, power, resilient, enough, self-care, love, worthy, enough. You are worthy and you are enough. It says all of that here. It says it on the other side. That's what I was reading. And I did start to film this already, but Camille, anyway, I'll blame her. But when you open this up, this is what you see. Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. And look at how gorgeous it is in there with the flowers and everything. And there is this code you can scan if you'd like. There's also a brochure inside. And Arlene has, you can get this by the month. You can buy 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. You know, if you want to save a little money, you can get it for a loved one. Arlene has a shop, and you can also buy, there's different boxes that you just can buy, just a box all by itself. And there's also products in her shop that you can buy. If there's something that you really love that you see and you want to just buy the product, you can go and look and see if she has it. And it also comes with a great brochure. This has all our information that we need. September 2023 issue, 180 degree box, and it is Mood Palooza. That is the theme. Remember to enjoy the journey. And inside this brochure, we have all about September, and then thank you for being a part of the journey. It says next month's theme is Harvest Harmony. So this all about September theme. When I thought about you entering the month of September, I knew I wanted to inspire your mental motivation and infuse some mindful inspiration into your month. Fill up your cup with words of encouragement and also indulge in a mood palooza of blissful self-care to elevate your spirits with our curated selection of empowering and delightful surprises. This self-care and wellness box is your ticket to a festival of joy, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Get ready to dance to the beat of positivity and immerse yourself in a world of pure bliss. And it's just a wonderful box. And on the inside, it's Mood Palooza. So many ways to set up your self-care mood with ambient lighting, soothing scents, comfortable space, pampering essentials, positive affirmations. We really get all of that in this box, except of course the space. You've got to get your own, spot in the house that you can sit in and relax and then use these products. And just Arlene is always thinking of us, and light a candle, burn some wax melts, and dive in. Okay, so let's dive in. So there's also always a bonus item in this box, and it's usually in a little red bag. I'm not sure by the picture if it's going to fit in the red bag. So let's see how far we get. The first thing I'm seeing is one of my favorite brands, Earth Harbor. This is Allure, the Rejuvenative Neck Cream. And in the brochure, it tells you all about the products as well. This bouncy, lightweight gel cream is purely natural, gel smoother and firmer skin with Earth Harbor's Allure Regenerative Neck Cream. It is a natural treatment moisturizer for your delicate neck and chest area. So it is gorgeous. Earth Harbor products, their packaging is usually simple and beautiful. This is glass. And their products are always gorgeous. So look at the color of that cream. I don't think it really has a scent. If it is, it's very, very mild, but it looks how creamy that is. I think this would be something absolutely wonderful to put on right before you go to bed. Just put it on. So that is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So I'm just going to grab the next thing that I see. There's a lot in here. So look at, oh my goodness, look how gorgeous this is. Look at that tin. It's got the pumpkins and the different colored pumpkins. How beautiful. And that orange top. It says Harvest Spice Via Mercado Autumn Soy Blend Candle. So here we have our candle. So let's open it and smell it. Oh my goodness. Camille, please don't cause trouble. Y'all, some days I can't take it, but if y'all are new here, I have a kitten. I have a kitten and she's rotten. Okay, so this smells, it's spicy and delicious. Nothing sets a relaxing and serene mood like a candle with its fragrant light. The Atuno candle will create a warm light and gently fill your space with its delightful scent inspired by fall. Harvest Spice, an evocative blend of spices, caramel, and pumpkin topped with citrus fruit. It smells wonderful. And this tin is gorgeous. You know, I think when you're done with this candle, you could use this tin for other things. And this lid does lock on, which, you know, I've told y'all before about these kinds of things. I love these kinds of things to travel with. You can take this with you and burn this in your hotel, or if you go to, you know, a friend's house or family or something, and you want a little, you know, your room to smell really good, it's nice to carry with you. So it has a nice lid on it. I love that. All right. CLLC. This is CLLC Laboratories by GN Protected Body Cream, SPF 30. Oh, that's nice. This is bask in the 24-hour non-greasy touch of this lotion as it envelopes your skin in soothing relief, alleviating redness and irritation. As you enjoy the rest of your fun outdoor activities, feel confident knowing that your skin is safeguarded from 97% of UVA and UVB light rays. Well, that is so nice. It isn't just an SPF, it's a body cream, and it'll keep the UVA and UVB rays off of you, which is wonderful. And next we have this beautiful little package. Let's see what that is. Look how pretty that is, y'all. This is, let me find it on here. I'm not finding, oh, here it is. Nosherie Nail Company. It's a nail tip set. Set the mood and try this no fuss French tip mani. French tips are a classic, and Nosherie's convenient nail wraps give you an easy to apply and long lasting polish alternative. Easy to apply from the comfort of your home. So it's a French nail kit. This package is so pretty. Look at that envelope with the stars on it. Let me see if I, as soon as I start opening it, I'm ripping it. Okay, let's see. All right, what's inside is a little card that says breathe in and breathe out. Always thinking about us. A nice little emery board. And then these nails, and they're gonna be French tips. So the nail stickers, really neat. I like that. I love the way it's packaged too. Very, very pretty. Next up we have this Grandy Organics gluten-free oatmeal with fruit. There's usually something to take care of our insides as well. Arlene always thinks about things like that. This is enjoy this easy, organic, gluten-free oatmeal with fruit. It's vegan and simply made with 4 organic ingredients. Gluten-free oats, raisins, apples, and cranberries. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Just add 6 to 7 ounces of hot water, stir and cover. And you can enjoy this tasty treat any time of day for a healthy pick-me-up or a snack or a meal. So that is wonderful. You just add your hot water, put the cap back on, and probably let it sit, it says, for 3 to 4 minutes. And then you're ready to go. Stir it up and you're ready to go. I love that. I love fruit in my oatmeal. That's the best. Next we have, NCLA. I've had this brand before, not this particular one, but I've had NCLA nail oils. This is a nail treatment oil. Treat your nails to some TLC. You can see how pretty the blue is. Look how pretty that color is. You see that, y'all? It's catching the light really pretty too. It is infused, let's see. Give your nails some TLC, infusing them with a wave of hydration and nourishment. Immerse yourself in a world where clean beauty merges with a miraculous potion for healthy cuticles and swift nail growth. And it says this captivating turquoise solution bids dryness farewell. Very nice. I love that color. And then the way that this works, it's like a little, the wand is it a little dropper? It is a little dropper, so you can put it right on your nail. Just a nice little drop. Oh, it smells good. Let me see. It smells good. A little sweet. And next we have something gorgeous. This is a Pashmina Scarf. It's not that, it's not what's same, sorry. It's that time of the year to add this special Pashmina Scarf to your styling. Wearing and styling a Pashmina Scarf is an artful way to elevate any outfit with elegance and warmth, whether worn over a cocktail dress or layered with a casual ensemble. The Pashmina Scarf brings an aura of timeless charm to your look, enhancing your personal style with its sumptuous allure. So let's look at how gorgeous that color is for fall. Let me take it out of the bag and we'll look at it. See if it has, it's very nicely packaged. Oh, this is beautiful. Let me move back a little bit. Gorgeous, gorgeous pumpkin colors. Pumpkin color. What is wrong with me? I can't. It's gorgeous. It's big. Look at how pretty the edging is. And this, a Pashmina Scarf is usually pretty big. You'll see how wide it is. And then, so you can use this as, you know, you go out for the, you know how it is in the fall where it might be warm during the day, but in the evening it's cool. So you can carry this with you and then use it if it gets chilly in the restaurant or the movies, or just you come out of the restaurant and it's cool outside. It got chilly because it was warm when you went in, and look at how gorgeous it is. It's not just an orange, it has a sheen to it. Oh, I love it. It's gorgeous. And there's so many things you can do. And that's what it says on the front of the brochure. It says, scan to see ways to style your Pashmina Scarf. You can, you know, put your phone to that and you'll see different ways. You know, they do all kinds of I'm not real good at scarves, but they do all kinds of tying and wrapping and all that. So, you know, you can put this on your head as well if you need to. If you're outside and it got really windy, this is the kind of thing I like to carry with me in my car. Just to always have it with me. And you can roll this up and fold this up and put it in your bag. It's gorgeous. You can also put it on the back of a chair. It's so pretty. Beautiful. And next we have this Nourish Mantra Gel Moisturizer. It says Near Light, N-E-E-R, light. This is going to be one of your favorite go-to face moisturizers. Ultra lightweight gel is easily absorbed by the skin while leaving your skin feeling fresh as a daisy while you enjoy the last days of summer. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it is a really light gel. If you can see it, I'm going to open it so you can see it. Nourish Mantra. It's a nice container. The whole box was shrink wrapped, and then this is, I'm having so much trouble with Camille tonight. This, I wasn't sure how this came off, so I decided to get it off while I stopped. It is, it's a hard plastic that lifts up. And then there's the gel. It looks very refreshing. Take some off of there. And it is very lightweight moisturizer. It doesn't have a scent, which I like for my face. It feels very moisturizing. It's different. I like it. It says made with nature's finest, ethically sourced ingredients. Very pretty packaging as well. That is really nice. And next we have 100 things to do on tough days. Look at that, y'all. It says written and designed by a dose of reminders. Hey, hello. I hope this book is the perfect little pick-me-up on those tough days when you need ideas for things to do. Remember, it's okay if all you do today was simply get through the day. You're doing the best you can. That is the truth, y'all. That is the truth. Let's look at this. It says life has its way of throwing curveballs, plunging us into chaos just when we least expect it, or when we're least prepared. Grounding ourselves and finding peace in mindful pursuits can serve as a powerful lifesaver. Set the mood, pause, rejuvenate, and tap into our reservoirs of resilience with this book. So, oh, it really is. It has all these things you can do. Let's just here, write a poem, hug someone, always prioritize yourself. That's what this box is all about. So there's 100 things to read in here. That is so neat. And then our little extra, our nice extra bonus gift. Now, usually the bonus gifts comes in a little bag like this, but this is too big for the bag. So let's see what it is. It says it's a trinket dish, and it looks like there were several that we could have received. It's beautiful. It's wrapped nicely. I'm gonna take the bubble wrap off. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the blue and white. It says, live the life you always imagined. Isn't that pretty, y'all? And then it has blue all the way around the edging here. So a trinket dish, you can use, look at this is the perfect size for a bar of soap in the bathroom, at your kitchen sink. You can put this at your bedside. You know, sometimes you go to bed and you've still got your earrings on or something. You can lay them in here, or your necklace or something, your rings. It's nice too by the sink for a sponge or whatever. It's really pretty. Thank you so much, Arlene. I'm telling you, that lady knows how to curate a box. So let me show you again. This was our bonus item, beautiful bonus item. We have the French manicure. We have this candle, which is phenomenal. I'm just gonna sit and smell it for a little while. It's so pretty, y'all. It's just so pretty, perfect for September. We have the NCLA nail moisturizer oil. We have the gluten-free oatmeal with the fruit, yum, yum. And the body cream with the SPF. The Earth Harbor neck cream, so pretty. The gel moisturizer, the Nourish Mantra gel moisturizer, which feels really nice on my skin. I really like that. The 100 things to do on tough days. I think that's, oh, and oh my goodness, the gorgeous, look, can you see that sheen, y'all? It's gorgeous, and look at the edging. It's just, and you know what this is? It's lightweight, y'all, and it is just lightweight and soft, very, very soft, silky. It feels like silk, and I just love how wide it is because you can do so much with this. A lot of people wear this over your winter coat. I mean, you can use this. You can use this pretty much year round. It is a fall color, but I think it's a summer color. You can use this all year round. Put this around on your winter coat and just use it. You know, the way that the winter is here in Alabama, I mean the fall going into the winter, is we have a lot of days where we start off with a jacket and then we don't need a jacket. But then a little later you need a little something. So having something like this is just perfect. So thank you so much, Arlene. I just love this box, y'all. And go see Arlene and tell her Mary sent you. And let me know if you subscribe. Y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. So good to see you. Bye-bye.